This is country living, and this is what we do. It's New Year's, whatever. Blah, 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 blue and blue. We're walking down the country road. This is what we do. It's just pause for intermission. So what else are we going to do? So I figured we'd sing for the pause for intermission. Because I could hit pause for peace. Or I could catch the moon and walk backwards. And you'll tell me if I'm going to fall into a ditch, right?
Wow.
He's like, wow. Now I'm going to turn around just in case. Sorry. He'll
You'll
giggle.
know
He'll giggle. He'll giggle somehow. I don't know.
You'll
Yes.
know somehow.
It helps if I don't.
Hang on.
I know. So I'm going to keep turning, but I'm going to walk forward.
Check them out. Little
Ooh.
fountain for you.
Boom, 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 boom. This is country living, and this is what we do. This is country living.
Nice.
Fireworks for you. Utes. There's some fireworks. Oh man, I should not be. Ring, ding, 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 ding. I really shouldn't, but I am. Cause I can. Cause I'm down south. In some kind of Dixieland. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah. Picking it. Picking the cotton. Look away, look away, look away, you Dixieland. Oh, it is pretty with the lights though.
Yeah.
Maybe if I didn't like waver so much, it'd be even prettier. It looks like a runway for airplanes. It's a spaceship. Wait, if we go like this, it's even weirder probably. I'm probably really annoying. I'm gonna have to be quiet, yes. Oh my gosh, because we are down south.
Just for their fireworks.
And we're waiting for their fireworks. We're stalking their fireworks. So what did you do on your New Year's Eve? Walk around stalking people's fireworks. Oh, come on now. I know, right? Doesn't take you that long to reload. I don't want to walk any further. That's a yeah. And this is what happens. Can't make this up.
I think that's it, dude.
I think so too.
Shit.
It's just this is how it rolls. And about face. And we're gonna go all the way back. Wait, it's gonna go all the way back. It has been going on for 2 hours now. And we're gonna go all the way back, and they're gonna probably pop off some more. And we're gonna laugh our asses off. And that'll be it.
Pretty much.
Pretty much. And or. I'm just going to keep it down on the ground and say, hey, love, light, gratitude, and appreciation. Many blessings to everyone on their new beginnings of this new adventure. Hey, y'all, we made it. Keep going. Keep going.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.